morning friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. In the previous lecture we have discussed about chemical properties of metals and also reaction between metals and non-metals. Next topic is about occurrence of metal. See, in our daily life we use many metals like iron, zinc, magnesium, copper, sodium, potassium, aluminium is the most useful metal nowadays. Okay, many other metals also we use. We know that there are 92 metals are present in our surrounding. Okay, most of the metals are very useful. But the thing is, from where we found these metals? If you think about iron, is the the percentage of usage of iron is most out of all the metals throughout the world. Aluminum is also a very useful metal. Copper, as we know that copper is a good conductor of electricity, so it is used to form wires and other utensils. Zinc is also useful. Magnesium, sodium, potassium, and many more. So these from where we found such metals? Some metals like silver, we know that silver. We know gold. We know platinum. We know mercury. These are also very useful metals. So from where we found such metals? The number of questions are there. From where we found such metals? Second question, are they found in the pure state? Are they found in the independent, means pure state or not? If they are not available in pure state, then in which state they are available? And in whatever the state they are available, how we make it pure? Number of matters, number of questions are there. So first of all, let me introduce to you some words before going towards the answer of all such questions. Some words are to be remembered. First is mineral. What is called as mineral? Okay, so mineral means elements or compounds which occur naturally in the earth crust. Elements or compounds which occur naturally in the earth's crust are known as mineral. In the very simple language, if I tell you, minerals means anything we found from nature, anything we found from the earth. If you just pick up one stone from the surface of the earth, that stone is also one of the mineral. If you just take some handful of sand from the sea coast, that handful of sand is also one type of mineral. If you are digging something from the earth, and if you take out any type of material from the earth, that is called as mineral. Means any type of elements. In the scientific language, what we can say, that some elements are available in pure state. Some elements are available in pure state and some are available in compound state. So anything you found, either you are finding pure element or you are finding the compound of element, whatever you find, that is called as mineral. This is the scientific definition. Element or compounds which occur naturally in the earth's crust are known as mineral. And what is the simple language to remember only? That anything we found from the earth, that is called as mineral. Now consider this is one of the, let us say this is earth. This is earth, and we dig out something from the earth. let us say this was one of the large stone and we have taken it out. So what is this? This is mineral. This is mineral. Now this stone is not a single type of element or not a single type of compound. It's a mixture of many type of compounds it may be. Consider we have studied these in the laboratory and we found that 80% of these mineral is one of the compound, let us say, that is zinc sulfide. We are taking one example to understand the next word. Consider 80% of this mineral is zinc sulfide and 20% amount is other compounds. It may be more than 2 or such, whatever. So this is 80% of the same type of compound. Can you see? Other compounds, let us say other compounds are aluminium oxide, for example, calcium sulfate, for example, Fe2O3, iron oxide, for example, other compounds, 20%. But 80%, the majority is of one metallic compound. This is the compound of zinc. The metal present here is zinc. Okay, set this one example. Remember, consider another mineral we have taken out. Let us say this is another mineral we have taken out from the earth. And we are studying this. We have studied that 20% of this is Al2O3, 20% is zinc sulfide, 10% is Fe2O3, 15% is, let us say, CaSO4, 50, 65. Let us say 20% is silver chloride, one more 15%. Let us say one of the compound of sodium nitrate. So this is mineral. Let us say this is mineral A and this is mineral B. Both we have taken out from the earth. But what is the difference in these two? That you can see that here in these, each and every metallic compound are present almost in the random amount. No one is in the majority. And no one is in the handsome amount of compound. And look at here in mineral A, what happens that one of the metallic compound, okay, this metal is zinc and zinc is not in the free state. This is in the compounded state of sulfide form. Okay, but we know that the metallic compound is in majority form. So now what we do, we have to take out zinc from this. This is how we found metal from the earth. Most of the metals are available in compound state. Okay, they are not going to. What do you think? Fe, zinc, magnesium, all are found in the pure state from the earth's surface? Obviously not. They are reactive metals, so they are obtained in the compounded form. Zinc sulfide, these are these compounds. So majority of the metals are available in the compounded state. But that too, that obtains the mineral, let us say mineral we have taken out, and we have seen that one of the metal is present in the metal and also otherwise metallic compound is present in some majority amount. If we obtain or if we do the process of taking out this metal from its compound, taking out these metal from its compound is called as extraction of metal. Is called as what? Extraction of metal from its compound. Which compound is here? Zinc sulfide. Other compounds are also present, but zinc sulfide is here. The metal which is present in this compound is zinc. So there is a particular process to follow to take out zinc from its compound. Okay, so this method or this process is called as extraction of metal. But here the amount is majority. So zinc, the process to take out zinc from zinc sulfide is to be done, and we can take handsome amount of zinc, and that too profitably. Economically should be profitably. And what about here in this case? Which metal you are going to take out from which compound? So I think here all the, see, if you follow the method of aluminium, only 20% part of this whole mineral is containing aluminium. So very little amount of aluminium you are going to take out. So if you are following the costly process to take out aluminium, and if you are not getting aluminium in the handsome amount, I think that process will be very costly, and the metal also remains costly in the market. Here you can see that 80% of zinc sulfide is present. So if you follow the method of zinc, you are going to get the handsome amount of zinc out of zinc sulfide. So that will be what somewhat profitably for us, and the metal which is taken out from this will remain cheaper in the market. So we can use the metal fluently or freely in our surrounding. So what do you mean by mineral? Mineral means the element or its compound. All these things are mineral. Everything is mineral. So whatever we take from the earth is mineral. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this mineral A and this mineral B? That in mineral A, what happens in mineral A? One of the metallic compound is present in the greater amount, so that from which the metal can be extracted profitably. And here there is no metal is present in the majority amount. Extraction of metal from such type of compound will be somewhat costly. So this mineral is useless for us. This is mineral, but it is useless. This is mineral and it contains a majority amount of zinc here. So this is called as ore. The new word for you is what? Ore. Ore means the mineral which contain one of the metallic compound. One of the metallic compound in the majority amount, and from which the metal can be extracted profitably is called as ore of metal. So the new word for you here is what? What do you mean by ore? Ore of metal. So the definition for this, the mineral from which metals can be extracted profitably are called ores. The mineral from which metals can be extracted profitably are called ores of that metal. I add here ores of that metal. Means this is A mineral, B mineral. A and B both are mineral. A is ore, B is not ore. A is the ore of zinc, because majority compound of zinc is present here, and this is not ore, it's a mineral only. Okay, then one, okay, this is one. Again, same example I am taking again. Again, this is mineral A, which we have taken. We know that 80% of that is having zinc sulfide, and 20% are other compounds. And as we are taking it from earth, so it contains sand, it contains clay, etc. Means for us, these things are almost useless for us. So these things are called as gangue. Gangue. Gang war. But here there is no war. Here is gang, and gang means the compounds which are present along with the major compound. The main compound is zinc sulfide here. Okay, so what is the definition for gang? Unwanted compounds or sand, clay, etc. present along with the ore. Ore means the main compound. Means zinc sulfide here is the major compound. So unwanted compounds or sand, clay, etc. present along with the ore is called as gangue. So three words we have seen: minerals, ores and gangue. Minerals means anything we found from the earth, or you can say elements or compounds present naturally inside the earth's crust is known as minerals. What is ore? Ore is the compound present in the major amount, okay, so from which the metals can be extracted profitably, are called as ores of that metal, and along with the ores unwanted compounds are present. Now what is our target? These we found from the earth, okay. We know that 80% is zinc sulfide, okay. So this is the ore of zinc also, that is also done. Now how can we take out zinc from this? How can we take out? This is a stone. This is the stone that we have taken out from the earth, and our target is to take out zinc from this. We have 20% other impurities also, and after removing these impurities, here zinc is in the compounded form. Sulfur to be removed from this, and then we can get the zinc from this. It's a long process. Okay, so we have a word very famous in the chemistry: metallurgy. Metallurgy. Metallurgy means the process or study of extracting metal from its ore. Extracting metal from its ore. The study, that metallurgy is one of the process to be studied. The study of process of extracting metal from its ore is called as metallurgy. Is that clear? So these are some important words to be remembered. You have to follow this, and once you remember these words and once you remember the meaning of these, then only we can go further. Okay, please follow this, study it from your textbook. Please remember the reactivity series also. Let me write the reactivity series again for you here. That will be most important here while studying the metallurgy. Reactivity series of metals. Some important thing to be studied: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, Mg, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, Pb, Cu, Hg, Ag. We are not writing hydrogen here because we are talking about the metals only. Au. Okay. So please remember this. Try to remember all these words we have studied. Till then, best of luck.